Hello, boys and girls. Dexter, here at the craft cupboard. What a beautiful day it is today. The sky is a brilliant blue, and there aren't any clouds. But I saw the moon up in the sky. Have you ever seen the moon in the daytime sky? I learned all about the moon when Miss Sheila gave me these books to read. While I was at the library learning about our Earth's moon, I was able to pick up this kit to make my own rocket craft at home. And you can too, at the library.
Hello, boys and girls. Here are the items that will be included in your rocket ship to the moon kit. A paper straw, a paper rocket, a pack of 8 Crayola crayons, a plastic pipette to become part of the rocket's engine, and your own tape dispenser. Begin by coloring your rocket ship bright colors. Be sure to take your time. Then turn the rocket to the back. Take your plastic pipette with the round end at the top and the open end at the bottom and tape it securely to the back of the rocket. Then take your paper straw, put it into the open end of the pipette and blow. See if you can get your rocket 238,900 miles to the moon.